Oh, it just says Raisin Bran Cereal Day. Mmm, delicious.
Two
Keep you
scoops.
regular. Yep. I don't know what Spicy Hermit Cookie Day is, but it's got the name Cookie in it, so I'm a fan. Can't be that bad. Maybe. Who knows?
I think it's just got a bunch of random stuff in it.
Oh, it's just like a kitchen sink cookie or a trash can cookie. Okay.
Ooh, yeah.
Bundt
Monster
Day?
cookie.
Oh, yeah, those are good too.